And because of those wildfires, you may be feeling the impact right here in the Chicago area as well.
Yeah, from travel to sports to just overall health. It's affecting millions in the way here, more ways than just one. NBC5 Sandra Torres joins us live now here with more on the impact, not only on the East Coast, Sandra, but here locally as well.
That's right, JC. We are already seeing some hazy conditions this morning, likely due to those Canadian wildfires. And right now, airnow.gov is actually rating our air quality at moderate levels in the Chicago area. That essentially means that the air quality levels are acceptable for the majority of the population. But people with respiratory illnesses, they're advised to try to stay or limit their time outdoors.
So for vulnerable populations, asthmatics, COPDers, pulmonary hypertension, anyone with respiratory diseases, making sure their disease is under good control. So that way, if they get an exacerbation, they're in contact with their doctors.
And right now, the dangerous plumes of smoke from Canada's wildfires is funneling into at least 16 states. The New York area is being hit the hardest. Air quality levels there yesterday exceeded the 400 level, reported to be the worst in the world, and they're not expected to get much better today. Major metro areas such as Philadelphia, Jersey City, even New Haven, Connecticut had air quality indexes ranging from 200 to 300, which is considered to be very unhealthy.
People are experiencing symptoms of watery eyes, irritated throat, shortness of breath, feeling like their chest pain as well too.
And in terms of travel, O'Hare is seeing minimal disruptions. Flights to LaGuardia are being impacted. At one point yesterday, the FAA had to issue a ground stop. Again, here in Chicago, the air quality is at a moderate level, but those with respiratory issues should protect themselves. And we have a list of things you can do to protect yourself on our website, NBCChicago.com. Reporting live along the lakefront, Sandra Torres, NBC5 News.
Sandra, thanks so much. And of course, our coverage continues online. You can find more information about flight delays, plus more on what doctors are saying about our air quality. It's on NBCChicago.com right now and on the NBC Chicago app.